Hi everyone, my name is binti Muhammad Azam. My metric number H2382204. It's great to have you here. Today, we are diving into an important topic from organizational behavior, which focus on organizational structure and design. This topic helps us understand how companies recognize people, tasks, and decision making to achieve their goals. Let's get started. To begin by clarifying two core concepts. First, organizational structure. Second, organizational design. Organizational structure refers to the formal hierarchy of role and reporting relationships within a company. It defines how tasks are divided, grouped, and coordinated. It outlines who reports to whom, how decisions are made, and how work flows across the company. It classifies common structure types such as functional, divisional, and metric, each with distinct advantages and challenges. Second, organizational design. On the other hand, is the process of creating and adapting that structure to meet business needs. It's about choosing the right structure and making adjustments over time to support the organization's goal and environment. According to academic human resource, this process is influenced by factors like strategy, company culture, and emerging technologies. In short, structure is the end result. Design is the ongoing process that shapes and reshapes it. As the environment evolves, so too should an organization's design. Now that we understand what structure and design mean, let's talk about span of control. This term describes how many people report to a single manager. A narrow span of control leads to a tall structure with multiple layers of management. This allows for closer supervision but may slow decision making. Second, a wide span of control results in a flat structure, reducing management layers and increasing autonomy and speed. Each style suits different needs. Tall structures support stability and control, while flat structure promote agility and innovation. Decision-making authority is another major design choice. In centralized organization, come from the top, ensuring consistency and control. In decentralized structure, decision-making is distributed, giving teams on the ground the flexibility to adapt quickly, especially useful in fast-changing markets. This is a core aspect of organizational design, choosing the level of autonomy appropriate for your strategy and industry. Mechanistic versus organic design. Let's explore two ends of the structural spectrum. A mechanistic structure is high formal, hierarchical, and rule-based. It works well in predictable environment like manufacturing. An organic structure is flexible and decentralized, ideal for dynamic sectors like tech. These organizations rely on collaboration, open communication, and adaptability. A famous example is Nordstrom. Their employee handbook once contained only one rule: use good judgment in all situations. That's the essence of an organic approach. What influences organizational structure? Several factors shape structure and influence design decision. First, business strategy. A cost-focused strategy may favor efficiency and standardization, while an innovation strategy needs flexibility. Second, size. Larger organizations tend to adopt taller, more bureaucratic structures. Third, technology. Mass production suits formal structures. Custom production benefits from flexibility. Fourth, environment. Stable environment support mechanistic models while rapidly changing ones demand adaptability. Design must align structure with these factors to support performance and responsiveness. Types of organizational structure. Let's explore 6 structure types common use in modern organization. First, functional structure. People are grouped by job role or skill, such as marketing and human resource. It's efficient but can limit cross-department coordination. Second, divisional structure. Departments are based on product lines, regions, or customer. It's flexible but may duplicate resource. Third, metric structure. Combine both functional and divisional design. Employees report to 2 managers. Great for project but can cause confusion. Fourth, team-based structure. Users self-manage cross-functional teams. It supports collaboration and innovation. 5. Lattice structure. This is seen in consulting with minimal hierarchy. Teams form and dissolve as needed. 6. Network structure. A central company outsources most functions. It's lean and flexible but requires tight coordination. Each structure has trade-off, and choosing the right one is a key part of organizational design. Contemporary trends. Virtual organization and communities. Organizations today face fast-changing market and decision transformation. As a result, many are adopting virtual structure, where most functions are outsourced and coordination happen through technology. To manage complexity and collaboration across silos and companies, use direct contact, liaisons roles, task forces, and cross-functional teams. First, direct contact. Managers from different units informally work together to coordinate or to identify and solve shared problems. Second, liaisons role. A manager or team member is held formally accountable for communication and coordinating with other groups. Third, task forces. A temporary committee formed address a specific project or problem. Fourth, cross-functional teams. Permanent teams spanning department and beyond formal roles. There are communities or practice informal group born by shared appetite. These communities promote learning, often outside formal reporting lines. To summarize, organizational structure defines how work gets done. Design is the strategic process behind creating and innovating that structure. Effective organizations align their design with their strategy, culture, and environment. From functional to network models, the right structure can drive innovation, efficiency, and collaboration. Thank you so much. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how organizations are structured and why it matters. That's all from me.